there, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to knit this headband. You'll need two different skeins of super bulky weight yarn, 16-inch US size 15 and 17 circular needles, and a darning needle, pair of scissors, and a stitch marker. In this sample piece, the main color is black and the contrasting color are the stripes. In the headband that we'll be knitting together today, my main color is going to be this pink. To begin, we're going to cast on 42 stitches with our US size 15 needles. Once you've casted on all your stitches, we're going to knit in 1 by 1 ribbing for a total of 3 rounds. Once we have completed our 3 rounds, we're going to switch to US size 17 needles. Next, we're going to add our contrasting color, and we're going to just knit 2 rounds, just knitting. Alright, next we're going to return to our main color. And we're going to knit 1 round. Alright, we've just knitted 2 rounds in our contrasting color and 1 round in our main color. Next, we're going to knit just 1 round in our contrasting color, followed by another 1 round in our main color. Okay, now for the next round, we're going to knit 1 with our main color and 1 with our contrasting color, and we're going to repeat that all the way around. As you can see here, we knit 1 with the main color, 1 with the contrasting color. Once we've completed that round, you can go ahead and cut the contrasting color. So for the rest of this headband, we're just going to be using our main color. And this next round, we're going to just knit 1 round. All right, next, we're going to switch back to our US size 15 needles to finish the headband in ribbing. All right, and now we're going to knit 2 rounds in 1 by 1 ribbing. We did 3 at the beginning, but we're just going to do 2 rounds here at the end. So knit 1, purl 1. Do this for 2 rounds. Okay, once you've finished those 2 rounds, now we're at the end and it's time to bind off, and we're going to bind off in the knit 1, purl 1 pattern. So that looks like this. We're going to knit 1 and purl 1. We're going to take that knit stitch and slip it off. Next stitch is knit. Take that purl stitch, pull it off there. And just finish like that all the way around. And once you get down to that last stitch, cut the yarn and pull it through. And now all you have to do is weave in all your ends, and then you have yourself a headband. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved this pattern.